If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. As mentioned earlier in this course, Acrobat's Find Text or Tools feature lets you quickly find text in a PDF or locate a tool. This lesson focuses on using this tool to find text within a PDF. To find text in a PDF document, click the Find Text or Tools button in the top bar of the PDF document within which to search for text to show a drop-down menu. Alternatively, click the hamburger menu button, roll down to the Search command, and then click the Find command in the side menu that appears to show the same drop-down. Then type the text to find in the PDF into the dropdown. To change any search settings for the text to find, click the ellipsis mark button at the right end of the field to show a drop-down menu of search options. Then check the desired checkbox Search Options to apply and click the ellipsis mark button again to apply the change to the search results. Then click to select the results to show from the list of matches that appears in the Exact Matches section of the Results menu below the search field. Acrobat then shows and highlights all occurrences of the search term in the current PDF. It then moves to the first occurrence and shows that in a slightly darker highlight. To move to and highlight the next occurrence, click the Next Result button to the right of the search term in the drop-down menu. To move and highlight the previous occurrence, click the Previous Result button to the right of the search term in the drop-down menu. Continue clicking these buttons to review all the matching search results. After reviewing all occurrences of the search term, Acrobat shows a pop-up message saying that it finished searching the document and found no more matches. Click the OK button in this pop-up message. Alternatively, to replace text you find in a PDF with replacement text, click the ellipsis mark button at the right end of the search field to show a drop-down menu of search options. Then click the Replace Text command in the drop-down menu to expand the search drop-down slightly to show a second Replace With field. Then type the text with which to replace the found text into the Replace With field. Then navigate through the search results to select the found occurrence to replace. Then click the Replace button in the dropdown to replace the selected found text occurrence with the replacement text. To then immediately replace the next occurrence if desired, click the Replace Next button that then appears in the dropdown. To close the search term dropdown when you finish finding and/or replacing text in the PDF, click the Close button, which looks like an X button at the far right end of the dropdown. It's important to note that the Find feature in Acrobat only finds text in the current PDF document. To instead find text within all PDFs in a folder, use Acrobat's Search feature, which we will examine in the next lesson. To open the Search feature in Acrobat, click the ellipsis mark button towards the right end of the Find Text or Tools dropdown, and then select the Advanced Search command from the drop-down menu that appears. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.